Email etiquette. Nowadays, email is a vital part of personal as well as business activities. It is very important for fast and effective communication. In today's world of advanced communication, technology matters are conveyed easily, readily, avoiding wastage of time. Email etiquette is often a completely overlooked part of the business world, despite being the most important part of conveying professional image. When writing to someone in a professional basis, there are certain rules and regulations that you have to take into account. So now, make a note of the rules and regulations to be followed in email etiquette.
Use a descriptive subject line. Avoid leaving it blank or putting an irrelevant or general subject. Address the recipient by name to add a personal touch to your letter. Do not use all caps. Avoid using of punctuation marks like this. Avoid using abbreviations such as IMHO, in my humble opinion, or TTYL, talk to you later. Not everyone is familiar with them. Skip a line when starting a new paragraph. Avoid using HTML in your emails. If you are sending an attachment, make a note of it and describe what the attachment is for in the body. Keep your emails as concise as possible without leaving out any important information. Keep usage of quoted text to a minimum. Always leave a signature line. Don't assume that the person already knows who you are. Do not keep on sending the same message to the same person over and over again. Use spell check and proofread and revise your letter after it is done. If you are sending out an email to a large private list, do not use CC, that is the carbon copy. Use BCC, blind carbon copy, to protect the addresses of the recipients. Remember, most emails are never completely private, so avoid writing any personal attacks which are unprofessional to begin with. When reading emails, treat them as if they are private messages, unless you know you are allowed to share it with others. When you receive a message, reply to it as soon as you have time to.
There are some more important aspects of business email writing. Please make a note. The following are some tips to help you while writing business correspondence through email.
A heading is not necessary in an email. Your written address, their address, and the date. Use a descriptive subject line. Avoid using an inappropriate or silly email address. Use simple formatting. Avoid special formatting and tabs. Keep your letter formal. Just because it's an email and not a hard copy is not an excuse for informality. If possible, avoid attachments unless the recipient has requested or is expecting an attachment. If the person's name is unknown, address the person's title. For example, Dear Director of Human Resources, or Dear Sir, or Dear Madam, etc.